Okay, let's talk Fundations for this week. You have two new sounds that you're going to be practicing this week. They both make the A sound, the long A sound. One way that we're going to practice is AI. A-I bait A. The second way is A-Y play A. Both of these will make the long A sound for a word. I'm going to tell you a trick though to remember which one comes where. If I make a list of AI words, two of your words are faint and trail. Let's do another two words. Can you see that? Spray and hay. You will notice that the AI sound always comes in the middle of the word, and the AY sound is at the end of the word. So that is how you can practice those two sounds and kind of remember them. So this week you are going to be practicing words on this list that's coming home. Think of it almost like an old spelling test. You'll have review words from last week. You'll notice that they have the R-controlled vowel that we practiced. Your current words are all going to have the A sound. And then you have trick words and sentences. But before we get to the trick words and sentences, let's talk for just another minute about these words that you have. Since we're doing this from home and you can work at your own pace, I'm kind of squeezing 2 weeks into 1 week of the A sound. So you're going to have words that have one syllable and two syllable. So you'll notice that you might have the word, let's see, on the week 1 words was faint. So faint, if I clap that out, faint, one syllable. On the second box, it says week 2, they are building on the compound words, or not the compound words, the multi-syllable words. So then you would have a word like birthday. To help you spell these, it a lot of times helps if you break down the syllables, birthday. So first focus on spelling the word birth, which is good because you have that sound that we just practiced. And then your second syllable is day. So then think about D-A. Where do you hear that A? D-A at the end, and that would be your AY sound. So there's a couple things to think about as you're practicing your words for this week. Your new trick words that we're adding on are the words great, America, away, thought, school, country. Now remember, all of these trick words that come in this packet, you need to know how to read them and spell them by the end of 2nd grade. So even if you have these 6 words really good, go through the rest of that packet and keep working on it till you know every single one. We say lightning fast as lightning, that quick. Okay, so there's your trick words for this week. The story that goes along with this is labeled Unit 10 up at the top, and it's called Cursive Letters. This is a story about being in 3rd grade, learning how to write cursive. I want you to go ahead and read this story, practicing your scoops of reading it fluently. Then you can turn it over to the back page and practice it without those scoops there and make sure that you are still practicing to read fluently. Your Fundations homework that you're going to turn in by the end of the week for me is going to be reading this by making a recording on Seesaw. I will give you those directions in the instructions on the front page, on the screen. But this is what you're going to need to practice all week along with the words that you're doing. All right. Have a great week.